Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually can't believe I'm saying these words, but I'm back with a house tour. As of today, me and Dan are officially homeowners and we have bought our first house, and I've never been so in love with something in my whole entire life. Like, it's just so perfect, and I can't wait to bring you guys along on this little journey, moving vlogs, the lot, everything. I'm so excited. And I hope you guys are excited too. I'm a little bit like speechless right now. It's been a journey and I can't believe we're in here, but I'm not gonna ramble. I'm gonna give you guys like an unfurnished kind of like house tour, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But we'll start with where we are. We are in the hallway. Door is behind Dan. And as you come in, we actually have these two lights. Hang on. Oh wow. We didn't even know they were there, and I blooming love them. And then we have the hallway. Like, the colours of the walls and the floor and the doors are like so perfect, and I'm just in shock. The floors are gorgeous. Yeah. We have stairs just up here to upstairs, so it's a 3-bed detached house we've brought.
Semi-detached.
Sorry, semi-detached. My words are just non-existent right now. Door just here. These are the doors. They're gorgeous. And as you come through, me and John are like low-key shocked at how big it is. Obviously this is the first time we've seen it with no furniture in it. Right, let me go stand in this corner. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up how big this room is, but it feels massive. It's because we've lived out of 1 bedroom for the past almost 18 months. So the fact we've got a house is so crazy. But yeah, this is our lounge. We have a nice fireplace just here. I believe that's an electric fire.
I think so, yeah.
I think so. They've kindly left us a gorgeous mirror. We're thinking about like a TV in here with a TV on it, sofa. It's just so bright in here, and
yeah, it's like it's not even a nice day, and it's really bright,
yeah,
isn't it?
It's just gorgeous. And then you come through into this like archway, and we have this little section here. We're not quite sure what it is. We're going to put it like the extended bit of the dining room. And it is just so gorgeous. It's just a nice little bit of extra space, and I just love it. So yeah, we've brought like a bookcase to go here. I'll update you guys in the vlogs obviously with what we do, but this is a gorgeous little area. And then if you come this way, I'm so excited. We have an arch just here, and then we have the dining room right here, where we'll have our dining table, our chairs. I just can't quite believe it. I'm just in shock. When I say that, we literally came in like 15 minutes ago, and I just wanted to record this because I'm so excited. I wanted to do a house tour for like my whole time on YouTube, so I can't believe we're doing it. But yeah, here is our dining room. There's a view of our garden just there.
We'll give them a better view of the garden from upstairs, maybe.
Yeah, and then we have this just here, this door, which is an understairs cupboard.
There's a Dyson in there, but we think they've accidentally left
it, because surely they wouldn't give us a Dyson.
Yeah, surely.
That's a little bit too kind. And then we have another door just here, which you can probably guess is into the kitchen. Dan's favourite room. Dan is the chef in this relationship.
Do you want to whack the lights on? There you go.
Here is our kitchen. I'll let Dan do a little shot of everything. So we'll start this end. Here is a fridge. No, that's a freezer. Here's the fridge, just here, integrated. And then this. We're so excited about this. I think it's just like the type of place you put your cereal and your herbs, but it's so just jazzy. I'm excited to put stuff in there. Microwave, oven, no. You know, Mother Mia, no, that's a microwave. Is that the oven or the grill?
Grill.
Grill, oven.
Yep.
And then just...
You're going to open every cupboard.
Yeah, everyone just want to see every cupboard. And then we have an induction hob just here. Guys, the kitchen is Dan's room. Like, he's the chef in this relationship, not me. But we really kindly can't believe we even have it. An integrated washing machine as well. Just there. And a sink. And then here we also have a dishwasher. But these worktops just like scream me. They are so gorgeous. I just love, like, my favourite thing ever. Oh yeah, the lights under there. My favourite thing ever is like creams and beiges. So as you can see, like, this house is just, I can't believe it's. I'm in so much shock.
Got a nice back door there.
Oh yeah, patio door, another one out into the garden. Okay, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? This, I'm gonna say this is what sold me, because it's something I've wanted.
Yeah.
For the longest time. And I've got one. Welcome to my office. I cannot believe it. Guys, you're going to see all my clothes and hauls from like top to bottom. I won't have to stand on a bed anymore. So yeah, this is my office, my filming space, my filming room. This was once a playroom. So when I saw it had this, I was just like, oh my gosh, dream house, like, want it so bad. It's just so perfect, and I'm so just grateful it has this little section to it. So yeah, you'll see there is another door just there. It's just a garage storeroom, so it's like a little bit of a garage.
Got the boiler in it.
Got the boiler in it.
Well, this was originally a full garage,
yeah,
and then this is 2/3 of it.
And it was converted. And there is a little bit remaining of the garage, which maybe we'll do something with, maybe we won't. We're not too sure right now. Yep. It might be Dan's office.
Let's not run before we can walk.
Yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So they'll see a lot more of that office, won't they?
Yeah, you will see so much of that room. Right, we'll come back from the room. So, side note, we went for a 3-bed. That's what we was looking for, because it was going to be main bedroom, spare room, and a third bedroom was going to be an office / filming room. Mm-hmm. So technically we could have got away with a 2-bed place being here, and I guess we just felt fortunate that it also has 3 bedrooms upstairs. But I'll take you guys upstairs. I need to work out what light switch does what. There we go. Right. Let's go. Upstairs.
Just shut all the doors. Yeah, we weren't prepared to start filming straight away. It's okay. There's another look at the hallway.
This is the 3rd bedroom. This is the smallest room of them all. I feel like people think I'm such a bitch, like hogging 2 rooms, like having an office and a dressing room.
I don't need a dressing room, do I?
True. But this is what's going to be my dressing room just here. They had a little baby in here before us.
They did, yes.
Hence the curtains, which I think are adorable. But yeah, this is the 3rd bedroom. Just here. It's just a little room, but it's very nice to have the extra space, especially for a dressing room. I can't believe it. I've been living out of Dan's wardrobe for 18 months, so yeah. So nice. So nice. So yeah. I'm going to do like a whole dressing room transformation video. Guys, the videos I have planned, I'm so excited to show you. But yeah. Just here. And it's the master bedroom. This is going to be mine and Dan's bedroom.
It is indeed.
Yeah. They very kindly left us bedside tables as well, because they match the wardrobes. But yeah, this is our master bedroom. Again, not quite sure what we're going to do. We're just a little bit in shock that we have a house, let alone doing anything to it at the minute. But yeah, it's got fitted wardrobes, which Dan is going to have all of them, because I won't need them if I have a dressing room. So yeah, these are Dan's wardrobes. If you guys want to see inside them.
They'll be
Fun fact,
very
we
soon.
didn't know what was in any of the kitchen cupboards or the wardrobes until today. So we were actually so excited to get here to just look inside the wardrobes. But yeah, these are all Dan's wardrobes. We'll actually have the same wardrobe space, I think.
Yeah, we will. We will.
You might even have a little bit more, but these are gorgeous.
Perfect.
So nice.
Should we show the garden? Better view of the garden?
Better view. So it's a 3-tiered garden. You've got patio, astroturf, and then decking at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, is that oh no, it's not. I thought it was a little bench at there. So cute. It's going to be so nice in the summer, isn't it?
It is,
and
yeah.
those little things are lights on the
On the second
wood.
tier, on the wood,
Yeah.
yeah. Where next?
Spare bedroom. It's gotta be. This room again, when we walked in it, we were just like, wow, this is gorgeous. So this is going to be the spare room. We're having this one just here as it just has the fitted wardrobes. And then this is going to be our spare bedroom. I.e. when Arlo comes and Abby.
Yeah.
We're not keeping it pink. They had a little girl.
Look at that window.
The window is just massive and it's so gorgeous. And it's a really nice sized room. For a spare room, it's a really nice sized room. And like I said, it's going to be our guest room, and it's the first room that we work on, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, because we'll be sleeping in here for a few.
We don't know
good
what we
while.
want to do to our room yet, if we want to change the carpet or anything, so we're just going to focus on this and basically sleep in here right now. But yeah, here's the spare bedroom.
Bedroom number 2.
Just go and then back into the hallway, which we both love
it,
so
don't we?
much. Is there a light?
There's a light. I hope there's a light.
Oh god, nice. What's this? I told you it was a light. There's a light inside the shower.
Is there? Look at your face. Hang on. This is not the camera's eyes yet.
Then we come, it's so gorgeous. We just absolutely love it. So gorgeous.
We've
We've
got
got a little towel rail just here, which I actually, oh look, we've got things for dressing gowns. That's such a good thing to have, don't
Yeah.
think about. And then there's a smart shower. We don't know how smart showers work. It's quite a high tech. I don't want to come across as I'm bragging, but I obviously want to tell you guys what we've got.
Yeah.
So from the hallway stops at the kitchen, it's underfloor heating on the wooden floor, and I forgot to mention that, which we are just baffled about.
Yeah.
Because we've obviously never had underfloor heating before. And then yeah, this is a smart shower. We're not too sure how it works, but they've left all the instructions.
They did say when we came around that you can connect it to your phone and have like a profile set up. So we'll have fun trying to work that out.
Press it, it will come away.
Yeah, come on, try it. I think a flustered house tour, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I'm so
Because we've
sorry.
only been in that bathroom once.
Yeah, but I should have waited, but I just want to show you guys. And then I guess we'll come out downstairs maybe? We show everything?
I think we've shown everything up here.
Okay, right,
well, we
let's
got this storage cupboard, but
Oh yes, little storage.
that's what it
cupboard.
is.
Let's go. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so happy. Should we end it here? Or should we end it in the lounge?
Let's end it in the lounge because it's homely.
So, welcome to my house, welcome to much better content, welcome to frequent uploads, welcome to the start of a whole new adventure. I have so much planned and I'm honestly so excited to show you guys it. Yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see what I've got planned, but yeah, thanks for watching. Just don't really know what to say, I'm a little bit overwhelmed at the minute and you guys probably understand that, but thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you very soon for the moving vlog, day 1. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye,
How weird
guys.
is that to
I know,
say?
it's so weird.